Respected administrative officers, teachers, non-teaching staffs, PTA members, parents, and my dear friends, a very warm good afternoon to all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to our school's annual day celebration. This special day is a celebration of hard work, talent, and achievements throughout the year. We are honored to welcome our administrative officer, and I also extend a warm welcome to our teachers and others to support and encourage us. Annual Day is a time to showcase not only our academic progress but also our cultural talents and creativity. The colorful programs you are about to witness are the result of dedication and teamwork by our students and teachers. Once again, I warmly welcome everyone and thank you for being a part of this joyful celebration. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.